Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this stunning specification 2018 68 plate Volvo XC40 D4. Now this is a really nice car, this one. So you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. All four alloys are in fantastic order, riding on really nice tyres. All the bodywork, the panels are all in superb condition. There's no signs of any sort of dents or dings. No large scratches which would deter you from buying the car. But the specification is what really makes this car stand out. So, alloy wheels wise, we're riding on lovely 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, finished in a lovely sparkle silver. We've got front and rear parking sensors, LED daytime running lights, headlamp wash, and then coming through to the interior, this lovely colour combination. So obviously we're finished in this lovely light grey paintwork, and then inside we've got a nice crema light interior. So we've got cloth in the centres, we've got leather on the bolsters, just because obviously this is where you tend to get most of your wear, but as you can tell those are in fantastic order. Now these are fully electric seats. Quickly then coming through to the rear seats are in fantastic order as well. No signs of any sort of rips, tears, no stains. You've got comfortable seating for 3. You've got a central armrest there as well with 2 cup holders. Rear vents, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning, and then you've got a USB Type-C connection in the back for your fast charging. We've got nice sort of carpets in the side cards. Looking in the boot, we've got our loading cover there, Volvo genuine. Under here you'll find a bit of added storage. Split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. And then another nice big point on this vehicle, you've got privacy glass and you've got a lovely panoramic glass roof. Now, starting the car up, push button start, rumbles into action. So as we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 26,044 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got 2-way memory, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2, and that will fully adjust the seat to where you like it. 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, park folding electric mirrors. You've got your voice command, all the buttons for the display up ahead, as obviously this is a digital cockpit. So looking through there, you've got your car, and then pressing through you've got your MPG, DAB radio down there, telephone, navigation, and then coming through to the center display you've got this nice big screen. So you've got your satellite navigation on there, very nice and easy to use. Clicking back through to the home menu, full FM radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. You've got heated front seats, obviously all your safety features, so you've got your traction control, lane keeping aid, parking sensors, cross traffic alert, you've got your blind spot assist, parking in, parking out, road sign recognition, cornering lights, collision avoidance. And then coming through to the other side, you've got your DAB, Bluetooth, all your download center, so you can download apps onto here. So Spotify, Wiki, parking apps, very quite convenient. Driving modes, all your volume controls are down there. Obviously automatic box, electric parking brake, central armrest with loads of storage. But the inside is a lovely place to be. The lighter interior makes it feel more spacious inside. Obviously a lot of these do come with a darker interior, but this one looks fantastic. So if you'd like any further information on the vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.